Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix location is not turning on your Android phone. So as you can see guys, same problem I also facing. So when I'm tapping on location option, so the location is not turning on, not enabling. Okay, so how to fix this problem? In this video we'll learn this guys. So first, when you're facing this type of problem, first you need to enable the airplane mode on your phone one time and disable it. Okay, after doing this guys, try to turn on your location. As you can see guys, still I am not able to turn on my location. Now what you need to do, you need to restart your phone one time. Okay, after restarting, go to once again location and just tap on it, and now as you can see guys, now my problem was solved. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you need to open the phone settings like this and go to apps and notification and go to all apps. Okay, from here you need to find out carrier services, open it, go to storage, clear caches and clear storage of this app, and go back and scroll down and find out Google Play services. Open it, go to storage, same thing, clear caches and clear the storage of this app. After doing this guys, restart your phone one time. After restarting, check your problem was solved or not. In case still you're facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to update your phone. If the phone software update is available, just simply update it. Okay, to do this guys, go to phone settings once again and scroll down, find out system, go to advanced, and here you can get the option system update. If the system update is available, just simply update your phone. Okay, so this is the last and final solution. In case this method is not working with you, so this all method is not working with you, so one more method you can also try. You need to reset your phone. Okay, you need to complete reset your phone. After resetting 100%, it will fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. It's a short simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.